Good morning everyone. We, the students of Red Ribbon Club, are going to enact a skit on adoption of Indian Constitution. 1947, India is free at last, but freedom is just the beginning. The nation needs a guiding book, a constitution to lead it forward.
Friends, we are free but without rules. How will govern ourselves? Yes, we need laws that protect every Indian, rich or poor, man or woman. I, B.R. Ambedkar, accept the honor of leading the drafting committee. We shall create a constitutions that give justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all citizens.
Dr. Ambedkar and his team worked day and night, studying hundreds of constitutions from around the world.
Dr. Ambedkar, your hard work will be remembered forever. India will have a constitution that represents every voice.
On this day, 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. It came into effect on 26 January 1950, the day we celebrate as Republic Day.
This book is not just a paper, it is a soul of a democracy. Let every citizen remember that we are the makers of our own destiny. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, let unity be our state. Because of our constitution, I can speak freely and work proudly. And I can go to my school, follow my dreams, stand equal to all. The constitution is not just a book.
It's India's heartbeat. Let us salute the makers of our Constitution. We, the